Right, boys and girls. So here on the left, today you thought about the theme of a few fiction books with Mrs. Katz, the Let's Celebrate, and Irish Shakespeare's Dream. The theme is what the book is really about. Authors reveal the theme or themes through the plot, the setting, and what the characters do and say. Why do you think fiction authors write stories with themes? Why are themes important? So, and today we also thought about the topic and theme of a few of the nonfiction books, like here on the left or the right, with One Well and Malala, and then Can We Save the Tiger? So, how are the topic and the theme of a book different? If you read a fiction book today, think about the theme of your book. Be ready to share your thinking. And also, if you read a nonfiction book today, be sure to think about the theme or themes of your book. Be ready to share your thinking about those as well.